So, ma'am, we did DMIT for Mitran. You came all the way from Coimbatore to Chennai,
Yes, ma'am.
Tirupur to Chennai, only
Yes,
for
ma'am.
DMIT, give fingerprints.
Yes.
We are very glad and happy to know parents are taking a lot of new steps to help
Yes,
their
ma'am.
children.
Actually,
Tell
we
me,
don't
ma'am.
want to pressurize them in the. We don't want to carry our thought to them. We just want to know what their inborn talent is, and we need to focus on that. That is the main purpose of taking DMIT report.
Oh,
We
thank
can't
you.
force. We can't. I mean, I wanted to teach him all the activities, all the things, but I should know what he's interested about.
Yes, yes.
That is
Very
why
nice. Very nice.
DMIT.
Okay. Ma'am, please share any two takeaways from this report, ma'am, where you want to work on it.
Especially the emotional quotient. That was the biggest thing for me. I know he basically he used to be at times he used to be very affectionate. He used to listen to whatever I says. At times for no reason he used to cry, shout.
In fact, we had an appointment with the pediatrician 2 days back, just because of
Oh,
this emotional
Emotional
imbalance. The mood swing நிறைய
okay.
இருக்கிறதுனால
We
so
went to the
we had
pediatrician.
an appointment with one of our friends.
என்ன சொன்னாங்க சார் டாக்டர்
He's so attached to me. That was the first thing. He's so
ரிப்போர்ட்
attached.
அதே வருது இல்லைங்க மேம்
Yes, ma'am. He's so attached to me. அதனால தான் he wanted him. He wants my focus on him. அதனால
mood swing as such பாத்தீங்கன்னா in seconds he
he
behaves too harsh and in a second or two அப்படியே வந்து he just
become normal.
Yeah,
so அதனால தான் we went and she said it's normal.
She was telling since his seems like his IQ level is
மேம் நீங்க தெரியல மேம் உங்க ஃபேஸ் தெரியல சொல்லுங்க மேம்
since his IQ level is a bit higher, might be the reason for his emotional quotient to be like he's so the ரொம்ப attached.
இப்போ நம்ம ரிப்போர்ட்ல என்ன வந்திருக்கு மேம்
அதேதான்
IQ and EQ levels is little high only.
Yeah.
So whatever the recommendations I gave now, ma'am, just start working on it. Our brain can adopt new things and it will start rewiring.
Yes,
good to know, ma'am.
We are also going to work on this fine motor skills.
Yes.
Actually, fine motor skills, I was not aware that he's a bit low in that. From childhood, I used to give him clay, scissor, paper tear activity, pouring, plucking the seeds. Adala I used to do. And even his writing is comparatively good as of now. I'm not sure because of all those activities and I don't know, but now he's okay.
Yes, madam, you started working on it when he was very young, so that is the reason you can see the difference. That's really nice. As I said, no, the brain will start rewiring it without knowingly. You have done good job. We really appreciate your parenting.
And either physical activities also. He's going to swimming. He had learned swimming and he's doing it daily morning.
Actually, the one thing is swimming. It is in extracurricular. It is in level 5, I think so, 5th rank. He's interested. He only because of his interest only we put him in swimming. Nowadays, no, I don't want to go, mom. I mean, okay. Before receiving this report, I thought, okay, he's not interested. That's why he's saying like this, no? But his report says 5 and he's doing extremely good in swimming.
ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ண முடியும் ma'am. He will be able to do that. He has that ability.
Because of that coach.
Again, he is not very moving with the coaching. Like basica பண்ணும்போது he was not intruding. If now he had learned now he want to introduce some perfection.
Perfection.
Which he is very resistant. அவர்கிட்ட போக மாட்டேங்கிறாரு இப்போ.
He's a bit strict. Being a coach, he's a bit strict. We can't complain for that. Adinala no, I don't want. But once he goes to swimming pool and swims, he's too good. Another 3 years and 6-7 months. So okay, he's swimming like this. Now everyone has seen him.
That is what has that ability. அது நல்லா இருக்கு. Rank 5 ல இருக்கு and it is very good. That is the reason he is able to cope up with it.
Yeah, that's the reason he's able to cope up. But on the coach nala he's I told the coach, you let him learn in a delayed pace, not I don't want him
Hurry
to
along.
hurry along. He left. Okay, you learn. No, he's now okay. For the past 5 days, he's a bit comfortable. But his learning now, he's swimming, he's too good. I thought it will take another 3 months to start swimming. Now he's doing good. Okay.
Okay. Very good, ma'am. Very good to know, ma'am. Whatever the report says and what you are seeing, it is matching so much. Good, ma'am. You already started working on it. Thank you, ma'am. We wish Mitran best wishes and good luck to him.